Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5 of Writing 213. This is a peer review week, and hopefully you have submitted your rough draft to me. It's okay if it's a rough draft. So many of you apologize. I know that's our nature, but I understand what a crappy draft looks like. When I'm in the drafting process, I'm leaving myself comments. I sometimes have sections that look more like an outline. Sometimes if I have an idea that I know needs to be a section of my paper, I build a subheading for it. It's a messy process. My drafts do not look easy to read. But if you look at them, you can see the pieces are there to fill in. So it's okay to turn in a draft that looks like a draft. Although I do appreciate your explanations to me. I'll be working hard excuse me, today and tomorrow to read your draft and to approve them for the peer review. I've offered one short reading for you this week, and then starting tomorrow, you'll share your drafts. I'm sorry, starting on Tuesday, you'll share your drafts with your group members, and then next week you'll submit a final draft to me. And I'm uncomfortable with the idea of a final draft, especially in a class that forces you to write so quickly. Along with your final draft for the class of your career research project, you'll submit a reflection to me in which you answer questions about what you would have done differently if you had more time. That's a sign of a strong writer, is somebody who can envision things differently. So you have a chance to speak for your writing in other ways as well. I hope you're all doing well. I will be in my office hours on Tuesday and Thursday this week, and if you have any questions, please drop in and chat with me. Hope you're all well.